my name's Chris. Welcome to another one of my guitar instruction videos. Thank you very much for joining me. And in this video I'm going to show you how to play Message in a Bottle as performed by Sting on the Howard Stern show way back in 2016. Well, 5 years ago, weren't it? It's an acoustic version, really good. I'm going to leave a link to that video in the description box below. So if you want to check it out after watching this, you can check it out. Right, what he does as well, the original key is in C sharp minor, but Sting plays it in B minor. He's lowered it down. It's a lot easier to sing. That's the version that I'm going to show you. So instead of it being in C sharp minor, it's in B minor. So we're a whole tone down. Right, and it's quite a tricky little picking pattern, especially if you're singing at the same time. It's gonna be a bit tricky. I don't know how Sting does it. Like I say, if you watch that video, you'll see him. He plucks it and he sings same time. Just take a bit of getting used to, I would have thought. Right, so I'm going to show you the main riff, and then of course the build up to the chorus as well. Before we jump into the lesson, could you do me a big favour please? If you could hit the like button, and also if you're not subscribed, subscribe to the channel. It really does help with the YouTube algorithm, and it helps get the video seen by more people. If you could do that for us please, only takes 5 seconds. Right, going to jump into the lesson now. Right, I'm going to show you the main riff to the song, and there's only 4 chords in it, so I'm going to show you them now. Right, I'll just play it through once. So you see there's just 4 chords. Bit tricky because you've got to pluck the strings, but I'll show you how it's done. Right, the first chord, we're in B minor. So with bar, I'm barring the 2nd fret from the A string. So we've got, and then I put my 4th finger on the 4th fret of the D string. So we've got that shape, and we're just picking 3 notes out, and the 3 notes are the A string, the D string, and the B string. So that's the first chord. The second chord, we put our 2nd finger on the 3rd fret of the E string, and our 1st finger on the 2nd fret of the G string. And the strings we pluck are the E string, the D string, and the G string. So that's your 2nd chord. The 3rd chord is the easy one. This, you just put in your 1st finger on the 2nd fret of the D string, and the strings we are plucking are the A string, the D string, and the B string. That's your 3rd chord. And the 4th chord, we put our 1st finger on the 2nd fret of the A string, our 4th finger on the 4th fret of the D string. It's very similar to the 1st chord again, except that the 1st chord you bar the 2nd fret, but with this you leave it open. And we pick 4 strings this time. It's the E, A, D, and G. So very slowly, it's so it might take a little bit of getting used to, but it's nothing, that a bit of practice won't help, won't sort out. It's just, I only learnt it yesterday, right? I watched the video yesterday, and somebody commented asking what the picking pattern was. So I thought I'd watch the video, work it out. So, and that gave me the idea for the lesson today. So this is where you are. This is why I'm here. Right. So very slowly picking it through again. It's oh, it's easier to play. Sometimes it's harder to play slow, but it's yeah. I'll get it right one day. You never know. Anyway, it's only orange, no vodka in it, not today. Right, so that's the verse. So obviously he plays that. And then when we get up to the I'll send an SOS to the world, it's just a G power chord, which is 3rd fret, E string, 5th fret, A string, 5th fret, G string, D string even. You should know what a power chord is, shouldn't you? I don't know. And then C, so he's just playing 3rd fret, C, you know. So yeah, so you got your G power chord, your C power chord, which is basically the C note, which is the 3rd fret on the A string, and just use your little finger to bar, or your 3rd finger, whichever's easiest, to bar the 5th fret of the D, G and B, and then slide that shape up to the 5th fret. So it's I'll send an SOS to the world, an SOS to the world. Then it goes to E minor. I hope that C, someone gets mine. I hope that someone gets mine. I hope that someone gets mine. And then the message in a bottle bit is, he plays it. How does he do it now? So that B minor sort of 7th shape is right. You've got your first finger on the 2nd fret of the A string. You've got your 2nd finger on the 2nd fret of the G string, and you've got your little finger or your pinky, whatever you call it, on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, your B string, and you just pluck them. And then the chord after that is you lift your first finger off and put your 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of the E string, and then your thumb, lift your 3rd finger off, put your thumb on the 2nd fret, and then back to the 1st. And you're only plucking the notes that you're actually holding down, so you're not, there's no, you might get away with that, but I would, it sting just. And then it ends with an E minor add 9 chord, which is, you put your first, it's the first shape with, well, it's the first shape without the bites. So you got your first finger, 2nd fret A string, your 4th finger, 4th fret D string, and then just strum it like that, all 6 strings, and then you go back to the main riff. minor 7, E minor 7 technically, isn't it? E minor 7, C, E minor 7, C, and then that. And then, yeah, it's just basically that all the way through. There's a part where he just taps the rhythm, but you don't have to do that. And he's sort of slightly altered it, a little bit, hasn't he? But yeah, watch the video. That'll give you a better idea of how it really goes. This is just like a quick sort of lesson, show you the basic shapes, show you the chords, show you the picking pattern. If you've got any questions, pop them in the comments box below. What's your favourite Sting song? Or your favourite song by the Police? If you want to pop that in the comments below as well. I'll read all the comments. If that's if there are any, you never know. Nobody might comment, and then yeah, that'll be a pain, won't it? But yeah, so leave a comment below with your favourite Sting song, your favourite Police song. I'll give it a listen. I might put another video lesson on, you never know. Do one with that. If you've got any questions about this, leave them in the comments box below. And if there's any guitar lessons, if there's any songs that you want to sort of learn on the acoustic guitar, also pop them, or any just ideas for the channel, whatever. And if you could also please, if you haven't already done so, give it a like, give it a subscribe, and hit the notification bell as well, so you'll be notified when I release further videos. And if you want to share it with your mates, your guitar playing friends, put it in your, on your social media, whatever, do that as well, please. Like I said, my name's Chris. Thank you for watching this. Thank you for joining me this afternoon or this evening or wherever time it is, wherever you are in the world. Excuse me. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.